Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we are going to list the top 5 best gifts you can get for men. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to keep it affordable. If you want to find out the price and more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Bronze Series 7 790cc. A great gift idea you can get is an electric shaver, and the best electric shaver on the market in my opinion is the Bronze 7 790cc. The Bronze Series 7 is a top-of-the-line electric razor that not only has convenient features and accessories, but also provides a close and smooth shave. This is an amazing electric shaver because not only the shaving head can pivot and roll, the foil blades themselves can also move. Such high mobility allows the electric shaver to glide across your face, molding itself to the contours of your chin, cheeks and jawline. Whenever you need to shave your face, you won't need to worry about this shaver's ability to perform. It is very powerful and it takes only around an hour to fully charge it. You can use the shaver around 3 or 4 times with just a single battery charge, so that's a big plus. What I love the most about this shaver is the base. When you place the shaver on the base, it will automatically clean the shaver, but it will also charge it. So basically, the base serves as a both charging and cleaning station. This electric razor is 100% waterproof, which means that you could completely immerse it in water without damaging it. In fact, you can even use the shaver in the shower if you feel like it. A unique feature of this razor is the ability to select one of the 5 modes that best suit your skin and technique, from extra sensitive to intense. Gents with tough beard will definitely love the intensive operating mode, while the extra sensitive setting can be very effective for men with sensitive skin that is prone to irritations. You can of course use different settings for shaving different areas of your face. Switching between modes is done by pressing one of the 2 buttons located on the sides of the on and off switch. Overall, it's an amazing shaver which gets the job done as it should, and this shaver can be a great gift for men because every man needs a shaver in their life, right? Next up, at number 3 we have the Samsung Gear S3. Men love technology, so getting them a smartwatch as a gift can be a great idea. The Gear S3 is actually available in 2 models, the Gear S3 Classic and the Gear S3 Frontier, but there's no difference in the smart functionality of the 2 models. The Frontier is targeted towards those with more active lifestyles and comes with a more weather-resistant silicone band. The Classic one is targeted more towards people that like classical watches. The latter can also be worn as a normal watch. There's no getting around that most smartwatches are built for larger wrists, and the Samsung's Gear S3 Frontier is no exception. Its face measures 1.8 by 1.9 inches and the watch weighs around 2.2 ounces without the wristbands. The Gear S3 Frontier is built to take some abuse. Its face is protected by Gorilla Glass and it can withstand drops of about 5 feet. The watch can withstand being submerged in up to 5 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Those things indicate how good this smartwatch is. The right side of the S3 has 2 buttons. The upper one works as a universal back button and the bottom button serves to return you to the home screen or the app menu. The 2 physical buttons on the side of the watch include a textured finish and are larger than the buttons on the Classic, which makes them easier to get to grips when you're wearing gloves or getting a little sweaty. On the side is the speaker, allowing you to make calls and listen to music, while around the back of the watch is where you'll find an optical heart rate sensor similar to the one in the Gear S2. This delivers continuous tracking and heart rate readings during exercise, so if the person you want to give this watch to is into fitness, he will love it. Moving on, the screen of this watch is a large 1.3-inch 360 by 360 AMOLED touch display which has very vibrant and rich colors, making it undoubtedly one of the best smartwatch screens out there. While some smartwatches can struggle to retain the same kind of sharpness of images, I've been pretty pleased with the way photos look on smaller screen. Even though it is a Samsung smartwatch, you can use it even if you have an iPhone, so that makes it a pretty good smartwatch. Overall, this smartwatch is one of the best smartwatches on the market, and I would recommend it to everyone that is looking for a top-notch smartwatch that will last you for a very long time. Next up, at number 3 we have the GoPro Hero 5. If the person you want to give a gift to is into sports, then getting them an action camera can be a great gift idea because this will allow them to capture all of their adrenaline-filled moments. The GoPro's Hero 5 is at your service for capturing videos regardless of the weather condition in 4K. Since it is a camera made by GoPro, from the very beginning you already know that this model is virtually indestructible and durable enough to handle even the most extreme conditions. From a design perspective, this unit features a sealed rubberized chassis that allow you to take this camera into water that is 33 feet in depth without any extra housing, while at the front there is a smaller screen that will help you in reading the shooting mode, the SD card space and the remaining battery. This camera's lens is small and removable, and you can also take an advantage of the GoPro's filters for boosting yourself into capturing videos when driving or snorkeling. But now let's talk about the connectivities. When you open the Hero 5's box, you can see a curved adhesive mount, a flag adhesive mount, mounting buckle, USB-C cable and rechargeable batteries, which make this camera very versatile because it can be used for a wide variety of purposes. It is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled, but you can also take an advantage of the GoPro's capture and quick mobile applications for accessing and editing your footage. In addition, you can use the GoPro Plus backup service for accessing your GoPro content on the cloud, but you have to subscribe to this service and pay monthly fees. From a performance and feature perspective, the Hero 5 lets you have voice control by using simple voice commands. You can start or stop recording, take a photo, and many more things, and all you have to do is just say GoPro before your desired command. In addition, this camera can record 4K videos in 30fps, 2.7K with 60fps, 1080p with 120fps, 960p with 120, and 720p with 240 fps. The photo resolution is 12 megapixel with a burst of 30 fps. You can also take an advantage of the photo modes such as the RAW file option, WDR mode, burst mode, time-lapse mode, and choose your most preferable one depending on the situation and your style. There are also 3 microphones that will reduce any background noise as much as possible in order to make your videos equipped with better audio quality. To conclude, this is one of the best action cameras in the market with which you can record any of your joyful moments easily. This camera makes everything easy and it is very durable, so you can use it for a long period of time. Moving on, at number 2 we have the JBL Pulse 2. The JBL Pulse 2 is a splash-proof Bluetooth speaker that is capable of delivering sound of amazing quality. From a design perspective, this model comes in black or silver colors, but today we are going to talk about the black one. It features cylindrical design and an LED system beneath the nearly 360-degree splash-proof grille. There are also base radiators which are located on the top and bottom panels of the speaker. The LED is extremely beautiful because the lights can be in plenipotential patterns for receiving even better sound experience accompanied by great visuals. Another great thing about the LEDs is the ability to suit any environment such as rain, fire, nature, and more. As for the connectivity, this speaker is Bluetooth enabled and the JBL Connect button is really effective because it allows you to link 2 Pulse 2 speakers together for an even greater sound production. There is also the USB charging port and an auxiliary input which are located beneath the rubber splash guard. In addition, the Pulse 2 is splash-proof but not waterproof. This means that you can take the speaker with you while you're showering or going to the beach without worrying, but just don't take it inside the pool with you. The battery's life can last approximately 10 hours, but everything depends on how you're using it. Using the light show while listening to your music or adjusting the volume level can affect the battery's life, which is pretty normal. The Pulse 2 features noise and echo cancelling for delivering clear calls without any problem, making it a great thing to have. The sound quality is brilliant and produces an excellent bass response for its size. Vocals are really shining with this speaker and they are amazingly detailed. Moreover, it deals pretty fine with good range and treble responses. You will be amazed at the sound quality produced by this little speaker that will provide you with an outstanding show. To conclude, this speaker is very light, nicely engineered and delivers wonderful sound and visual shows. You can listen to your favorite music everywhere you go. It will serve you pretty long because it is very durable and you won't have to worry much since it is splash proof. To finish off our video, at number 1 of our gift ideas we have an Android tablet, and that is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 remains the best Android tablet you can buy, and the price is not that high compared to some other tablets in this category. It's a stylish all-glass tablet with an impressively crisp and vibrant screen and 4 speakers, making it an excellent portable movie theater. It's also the first HDR-ready tablet, so that's a pretty good thing. The Galaxy Tab S3 shines best when watching video. HD content looks razor-sharp, colorful and bright. The excellent picture quality is completed by 4 speakers, featuring AKG by Harman Kardon's expert tuning. With 1 speaker at each corner, they sound satisfyingly loud and clear, though it's best to avoid using the max volume as the audio tends to lose its quality at higher volumes. Most tablets are made of plastic or aluminum. The Galaxy Tab S3 is made of glass and comes in silver or black. The tablet's unique all-glass design is also comfortable thanks to its smooth, rounded aluminum edges. It comes with the S Pen. An improved S Pen that comes with the Tab S3 has a super thin tip that can support up to 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. The soft touch rubbery feel of the pen makes it grippy and easy to hold, so you don't feel like you're writing with a twig. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 has a 13 megapixel rear camera that you'll love. It has autofocus, an f1.9 aperture and a flash in case you want to take pictures in darker places. The quality is good for a tablet, complete with gesture control and 4K video recording, although your smartphone camera is always going to be better. The front camera is also 5 megapixels, which is pretty good for video calls. There are also things I don't like about this tablet, and the main thing is the keyboard that is sold separately, and you have to pay a pretty high price for it. Not only that, but the keyboard also doesn't work as it should. Tablets are meant to be used without keyboards anyways, so that shouldn't be a big problem. Overall, this tablet is a pretty good tablet which has everything you would ask for. This can be a perfect gift idea if you have some money laying around, because it is guaranteed that the person you plan to give this tablet to will love it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.